What is the most secretive place on Earth? Area 51. When you hear that name, you probably think of aliens, flying saucers, and dark government conspiracies, right? But what is it really? Located deep in the Nevada desert, it is actually a high-security US Air Force facility. Why is it so famous? It all started with the Roswell crash in 1947. Many believe the government is hiding a crashed alien spaceship and even alien bodies inside this base. However, the official story is different. The US military claims it is simply a testing ground for top-secret spy planes, like the U-2 and the SR-71 Blackbird. So, is it aliens or just airplanes? We may never know the full truth. Area 51 remains the world's biggest mystery.